Alright, you guys, well, that put an end to my day. Just lost the wheel nut. That's literally all that happened. As you can see, everything's still there. I found the hex, I've got the tire still, but my wheel nut just came loose and I lost it. I spent probably 30 minutes trying to find it. I'm gonna go spend another few minutes here on my way out trying to find it. And it was a pink one, of course, as well. It was one of my nice ones. Anyway, guys, at least I got a good video out for you guys. Sorry about the weird video schedule. I'll explain that in a coming video. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you liked this video, if you thought it was cool. Hopefully it is, because I haven't edited yet. Make sure you hit that notification bell if you are new here to get notified of more cool videos of this Slash and trailer and SCX-10 over there too. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.